National People's Party NPP wala kama shibun kijingin to Henry kini baro kinum kta ya ka party ha kani election MDC ka banlong ha KHADC but JHADC ha ka arpoi tere kudampang menta usnam alor kani nakaliang National General Secretary ke NPP ba sniaw bahalang dhar badairu usembut menteri rang ba kajala ulong pa kitei kijingin to baharu kam persya ka party kenum kta satya ya kani election MDC ka ban salong shen kani ka jingkran jong uni uhe NPP kadai hadin knyat si ka jingweng no jong MDC ka maulai ba table pathau banyakhon na ka ticket NPP but banyakhon no kumkurtang shimen.
Recently, the Maulai MDC or NPP MDC left and is planning to conduct independent. Do you think that there will be many more who are not liking to?
No, don't ask me. That's they're up to them. So we are fighting. We will give a good fight this election. We as party we are ready to go for election, and hopefully we will get a majority also at the same time.
Don't you think there is anti-incumbency against the NPP?
Anti-incumbency, I don't think so will be there. Maybe even though it is there, so we have to work hard. Simple as that.
So will the party find another candidate for Maulai?
We will see. We will discuss all this.
So like it appears that many of the sitting MDCs of NPP, they are not willing to contest from the party and they are planning to contest as independent candidate also. Any thought?
Let's see. Till the time is still there. There is more some more time. So we'll see. As we know that we are, sometimes it feels difficult. So many of them want to contest from NPP. That is election. Somebody come and goes is there. Somebody want to go, somebody want to come. That is the usual process in the election.
Do you look at VP as a threat for your sitting MDCs? That is why they've chosen?
No, that is not. Because every constituency is different from one constituency to different constituency. Not the same formula, not the same system, not the same reason.
What is your expectation?
The expectation is that we will form the EC on our own.
In both?
In both.